Y'all, the weather is absolutely awful over here, but I am in Bartlett, Tennessee, and there's a Goodwill Bins here. So rain, storm, hurricane, tornado, nothing's gonna stop me from going into Goodwill Bins right now and checking this place out. All right, I am soaking wet, but I made it inside. So this looks like my Goodwill Bins, where they have a wall of bins right here. People put stuff at the top for you, and they also have the big blue bins. Here are some beautiful dark brown wooden bowls. They're from Pottery Barn. I love these. There's 2 of them. They're in really good condition. We got our first items in the cart. Look what's in somebody else's cart. A spindle box. Ooh, is this a Christmas tree? Yeah, that looks like one that's from the Dollar Tree or something. Not a very good quality one. Lots of shoes. Here's some men's woven belts in this bin. I really like this one. You can kind of think of these pieces as trim to use on different projects, and I think I might need this one, so I'm gonna grab it. I have a lot of artwork here. It's a big poster, not a poster board, a cork board. I wonder if these are the prices. $4.99 on this. Here's a mirror. Here's another mirror. I have some bikes. Here's some more bins right here. The music's lower, so it could kind of bring out dig. I think that's Elmo. I think they're about to bring out some new bins right there. What is this right here? Long sign. That's cute. They have a little bit of furniture here. Not even gonna look at the chairs. I don't need any of them. They have some rockers. Let's see what the prices are. $10 for the rocker, so I'm kind of at the end. So you can see this Goodwill is a lot smaller than mine. They just brought out a new bin over there, so I guess I should go dig. Here's a huge clock right here. Little photo, a kid's table, and then this is pretty random. They also have a penguin. What y'all think this penguin was for? He might be kind of cute to dress up for Christmas. He looks like a little distressed wood piece. I don't know, do we need to rescue this penguin and use him as Christmas decor? A few people stopped me to talk about the penguin. It's a very interesting piece for sure. Okay, I got some other stuff out that new bin that they brought out. They had a bunch of Halloween decor. Like, I cannot pass this piece up. We need this little weird, I think it's a rat. I don't know. And then look at this. A bone unicorn. Ren totally needs that for her Halloween decor. And then look at these planters. They are, hold on, one's stuck. There we go. They're plastic, but I love this basket weave texture. They kind of look like terracotta, so I feel like if I put some white wax or something, that would look really cool. And there's 4 of them, so they'd be great just outside on a wall. So I'm gonna get all of these for myself. Oh, I forgot about this too. This was in a new bin that came out. I think it might be a decanter or something, but I love the shape of it, so I could use it possibly as a decanter, or I could just use it as a vase and take this piece out. Oh wow, look at this, y'all. It's a Currier and Ives salted frosted candle holder. These are definitely coming back in style. I would use it as a vase. Can you see some natural branches coming out of here for wintertime decor? I love this so much. All right, y'all, I was told they only switch out the new blue bins every 30 minutes, so I really don't want to wait around. At my Goodwill, they definitely change things out a whole lot faster, but I got a few good things that I am very happy with. Y'all leave a comment below. Let me know what was your favorite item. This little guy and this little guy has gotten lots of attention in my cart. Oh, I picked this up too. This is just a good piece to have in my DIY stash. I could use it just as a riser or something. So I hope y'all enjoyed this adventure at this new Goodwill Bins, and I will see y'all in the next one. If you like the items you saw in today's video, make sure you check out my website, juliesdesignsandsigns.com. In the home decor section, it is filled with amazing vintage unique finds, as well as beautiful greenery and home decor. And the first Wednesday of every month at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, I have the vintage drop on my website, where all of the items I thrift for all month long become available for purchase. On my website, you will also find Fusion Paint and Dixie Belle paint, as well as all of the amazing IOD products, paint brushes, and supplies. And on my website, guys, it is $9 flat rate shipping. So no matter how much you order, it is only $9. So make sure y'all go check out juliesdesignsandsigns.com and mark your calendars for the next vintage drop.